Welcome to FoxLearn. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a login form in ASP.NET MVC using Entity Framework code first. To play demo, you need to download the magical login form flat responsive widget template from the W3 Layout website. Unzip the magical login template, then copy the login template into your website project. Open your account controller, then create the magical login action corresponding to HTTP GET and HTTP POST. Right-click on your magical login action, then create a login view. Open the magical login template, then copy the login template into your login view. You need to include CSS and JavaScript file to your login view, then change the HTML controls to the ASP.NET MVC controls. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.